Hello there, good morning, it's Jo and welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna get ready because it's workshop day. Today's a full day. I'm just gonna be out of the house in the workshop. So I'm going to get ready and you're going to watch me. Side note, my room is really messy because I am doing some winter cleaning for the next year. On the way to the workshop, this is my look. So, if you guys want to know what I am wearing on my lips today, it is ColourPop in Times Square. It's supposed to be a lot more of a nudier pink, but for some reason ColourPop lipsticks, once you put them on, they get a lot darker. So yeah, but also you have to get like a lighter shade. But I still love it anyways. But they're super light shades, they stay light, so it's kind of confusing. I'm home and we're gonna have dinner. I'm so tired because I've been in workshops. Do you want me to put you in the vlog? Been at workshop from 9 a.m. all the way until 5:30 p.m. So I'm really tired and I'm excited to eat. There's so much good food. Vegans have fun. This is why our family is corny. Yellow corn, white corn. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in the sky, echoing their joyous praise. No! Yeah. So sorry that I don't have a lot of footage today. Out of the house the whole day and I couldn't bring my camera because it was workshop. But I will definitely make sure that tomorrow I have more footage for you guys to show you more of my exciting life. I'm trying new vlogging styles and new editing styles throughout Vlogmas to see what works and what I feel is more me. So, what happened? I hope you guys will enjoy the journey or something like that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked Vlogmas Day 2. Comment down below what your favorite Christmas song is if you reach this part of the video, and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to and be part of the family. Hey Daddy, say hi to your fans.
Hi, friends.
Fans.
Friends.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you can hit the subscribe button for more videos of me, or maybe you can just hit it to see more of my dad in some of my videos.
Like it if you want Jo to clean her whole house.
Okay, bye. Stay fit.